Hi there, and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the episode today and joining us on the channel. As you can see, we've got two Hornet Evos on the table. Now, if you checked out our last video when we unboxed the Hornet Evo, then obviously we went through all the new cool things for the Hornet Evo and had a good nosy at it. But also, towards the end of that video, I mentioned that we were very lucky enough to be giving you, the viewers, a chance to win a Hornet Evo, a brand new Hornet Evo, so you can build it up yourselves. Okay, as I said, the RC Elf has got in touch with us and said, would we like to do a Christmas giveaway this year? And I've said, of course, we'd love to do that. So a massive thanks to the RC Elf for donating a kit to the channel, and of course Inside Line Models at www.insidelinemodels.com for supplying the two kits for us. Okay, so how do you go about winning one of these rather cool Hornets? Well, I'm not going to make it too taxing. So it's dead simple. You do need to be subscribed to the channel and Andy Robinson RC on YouTube, and you do need to be a member of the Andy Robinson RC Facebook group. And if you could join the Instagram group as well, that'd be even cooler. So if you can do those things for us, then that'll qualify you for entering the giveaway. And then under the comment section in this video for the giveaway, then you need to leave me a comment. Obviously the comment will be under your name. So I'll take a note of your username and leave in the comment, I want that Hornet. So that's what you've got to do. You've got to write, I want that Hornet. And I'll be able to tell then if you are entering into the giveaway. I will then allocate you a number next to your username, which I'll keep. And then when we come to do the draw for this, so I think I'll probably announce the winners for this. I think we'll do it on, let's see. Not Christmas Day, because I'll be busy. But I say, tell you what, we'll announce the winners on Boxing Day. There you go. So I'll announce the winners on Boxing Day, or the winner, I should say. And your name and your number will be randomly chosen through a sort of number generator, and hopefully you'll be a lucky winner of a Hornet Evo. Now, this can only go to people that are living in the UK. I'm sorry, I can't post out across anywhere in the world. It's going to have to be a UK competition only. So yeah, I know that sucks to a degree, but this is the way we're having to do it. So it's a UK giveaway. So very sorry if you're not from the UK, but you can't enter the giveaway this time. Okay, so yeah, better throw that one in there just before people start leaving their names and whatnot. So, of course, I'll leave instructions as well in the video description for you to check it out. So if you've missed anything that I've said, it'll all be there for you. Okay, so again, we'll post it out, the winners, as soon as they've been announced, as soon as we can get to a post office, and we'll get it shipped off to you. So yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Winning a chance to win Hornet Evo. Nice. I think it's going to be a massively popular kit, this. And it's good to see that Tamiya have visited the Hornet again and made some cool upgrades to it. And you could be driving one yourself. Right, okay, so I'll quickly go back over it. So it's a UK giveaway only. To take part in the giveaway, you need to be a member of the Facebook group and the Instagram group under Andy Robinson RC, and you need to be a subscriber to Andy Robinson RC YouTube channel. And then you leave a comment in the YouTube channel under the video, in the comments, and you say, I want that Hornet. And then we'll know that you want to be entered into the giveaway, which the winners will be announced on Boxing Day. I keep saying the winners, there's only one Hornet to give away. The other one's mine, all mine. Yeah, so the winner will be announced on Boxing Day. Okay, right. So good luck to you that enter the giveaway, and we'll see you all very soon on the next episode. See you later, and take care. Bye.